Welcome to your ultimate guide to exploring Vancouver Island's rugged west coast. We'll take you on a journey from Vancouver to the charming towns of Ucluelet, Tofino and Campbell River. Join us as we uncover the natural wonders, local flavors, and unforgettable experiences that await. Our adventure begins with a drive to the Horseshoe Bay Ferry Terminal, nestled at the edge of West Vancouver. The scenic route offers glimpses of the city and the rugged coastline, setting the tone for the journey ahead. It's essential to book your ferry well in advance, especially if you're planning to travel during peak seasons or long weekends. These routes are popular and spaces fill up fast. Once on board, take advantage of the ferry's amenities. The sun deck offers panoramic views of the coastal mountains and the sparkling waters of the Strait of Georgia, while inside you can relax with a hot beverage from the cafe. Upon arriving in Ucluelet, you're greeted by a small town that feels untouched by time, with a laid-back vibe that immediately puts you at ease. Start your visit at the Ucluelet Marina, where you'll see local fishermen bringing in their catch of the day. This is a working marina, so it's a great place to get a sense of the town's maritime heritage. Next, head to the Pacific Rim National Park, where the Wild Pacific Trail offers some of the most dramatic coastal scenery in Canada. The trail is well maintained and accessible to all levels of hikers, making it perfect for families and casual walkers. The vistas here are truly spectacular, with rugged cliffs, crashing waves, and perhaps even a glimpse of a whale off in the distance. For a more secluded experience, visit Little Beach, a hidden gem that's ideal for a quiet picnic or simply relaxing by the water. The beach's unique location gives it a sheltered, intimate feel, making it a favorite among locals. When it comes to dining, Ucluelet punches well above its weight. Whether you're in the mood for fresh, locally sourced seafood, artisan pastries, or a hearty breakfast to start your day, you'll find plenty of options to satisfy your cravings. Many of these eateries emphasize sustainable, locally sourced ingredients, providing a true taste of the region. A short drive from Ucluelet brings you to Tofino, a town that has become synonymous with surf culture, natural beauty, and a relaxed bohemian atmosphere. One of the first stops you should make is Long Beach, a vast stretch of sand that's perfect for everything from surfing to beachcombing. Long Beach is part of the Pacific Rim National Park Reserve, and its sheer size and beauty make it one of the most iconic spots on the island. The beach is often shrouded in mist, creating a mystical ambience that's perfect for photography or simply soaking in the surroundings. The town's main street is lined with boutique shops, galleries, and cafes, all with a distinctly local flavor. Here you'll find everything from handcrafted jewelry and pottery to unique art pieces that capture the essence of the West Coast. As we continue our journey north, the road to Campbell River offers more than just a way to get there. It's a scenic experience in itself. Welcome to Campbell River, known as the salmon capital of the world, where you can immerse yourself in both adventure and relaxation. Campbell River is more than just a fishing town. It's a gateway to some of the best outdoor activities on Vancouver Island. If you're an angler, you'll be in heaven here. But even if you're not, there's plenty to explore. No visit to Campbell River is complete without experiencing the thrill of a whale watching cruise. The waters here are home to some of the most magnificent marine life on the planet. As your boat glides through the ocean, keep your eyes peeled for orcas, humpback whales, and playful sea lions. The chance to see those incredible animals in their natural habitat is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and the local guides are experts at spotting them and sharing their knowledge about the marine ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned wildlife enthusiast or a first-time visitor, the sight of a whale breaching the water is sure to leave you in awe. As we wrap up our journey, We hope you've enjoyed this guided tour of Vancouver Island's stunning west coast. From the wild beauty of Ucluelet and Tofino to the rich marine life of Campbell River, this island offers something for every traveler. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Vancouver Island is a destination that delivers. Until we meet again, keep exploring and may your next adventure be just around the corner.